From blueprint to reality, how construction loans make dream homes possible. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of construction loans. If you're planning to build your dream home or undertake a major renovation project, a construction loan might be just what you need. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of construction loans, how they work, and how you can benefit from them. So, let's get started. Construction loans are specifically designed to help individuals finance the construction or renovation of a property. Whether you're building a house from scratch or adding a new wing to your existing home, a construction loan provides the funds you need throughout the construction process. These loans are different from traditional mortgages, since they consider the anticipated value of the property once it's completed. There are different types of construction loans available, but two popular options are the construction to permanent loan and the standalone construction loan. The construction to permanent loan is a convenient choice as it combines the construction financing and permanent mortgage into a single loan. On the other hand, a standalone construction loan covers only the construction phase and requires a separate mortgage once the project is completed. Now, let's walk through how construction loans typically work. When you apply for a construction loan, the lender will assess your financial situation and review the construction plans. Once approved, the loan will be dispersed in a series of draws or payments at different stages of construction. These payments allow you to cover the costs of labor, materials, and other construction-related expenses as the project progresses. Construction loans offer several benefits to homeowners. Firstly, they provide the necessary funds to get your construction project off the ground, even if you don't have the entire amount upfront. Secondly, during the construction phase, you'll typically only pay the interest on the loan, which can help keep your monthly payments manageable. Lastly, once the construction is complete, you can convert the loan into a traditional mortgage, simplifying the repayment process. Now, let's discuss some tips for obtaining a construction loan. First and foremost, ensure you have a well-developed construction plan and a reputable builder lined up. Lenders will want to see detailed plans, accurate cost estimates, and a solid timeline for completion. Additionally, having a good credit score and a healthy financial history will strengthen your chances of approval. Finally, be prepared to provide the necessary documentation, including income verification, tax returns, and financial statements. In conclusion, construction loans can be a fantastic option for those embarking on ambitious building or renovation projects. They provide the financial support you need throughout the construction process and offer flexibility in repayment. Remember, it's crucial to work closely with a knowledgeable mortgage loan officer to ensure you choose the right loan for your specific needs. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to me or my team. We're here to help you make your dream home a reality. We also invite you to join our exclusive Facebook group for expert tips, insider insights, and valuable content that will empower you on your home buying journey. Link is in the description box below. Let's connect, engage, and stay informed together. Thanks for watching, and until next time. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates for our next videos. Clare Lin, Senior Mortgage Professional, NMLS ID number 299,165. Your Best Home Rate, LLC. We care about you and your loan.